If you've ever wanted to reverse audio in CapCut, but noticed there isn't a simple reverse button for a standalone MP3 or WAV file, don't worry, because in this video I'm going to show you a quick workaround that actually works. This is a really useful trick for editing sound effects, voice clips, or music transitions when you want that reversed audio effect without spending forever trying to figure it out. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more CapCut tips, edits, and beginner-friendly editing guides. Alright, let's jump straight into it. First, open CapCut and start a new project if you haven't already. Then, import your audio file by clicking Import and selecting your MP3 or WAV track from your device. Once it appears in your media library, drag it down onto the timeline so you can work with it directly. Now, here's the important part. Since CapCut usually gives you more reverse options for video clips than for raw audio files, we're going to use a simple compound clip trick to unlock that reverse function. Go over to the Stock Materials tab in the top left panel and choose any generic video clip or even a solid background image. Drag that placeholder clip onto the timeline on the track directly above your audio. This placeholder doesn't need to be fancy at all because it's only there to help us create a clip that CapCut can reverse properly. After that, make sure the placeholder's clip matches the exact length of your audio. You can do that by dragging the edges of the clip until both the audio and the placeholder line up perfectly. This step matters because if the timings don't match, your reverse effect may not come out the way you want. Once everything is aligned, hold Ctrl on Windows or CMD on Mac and click both the placeholder clip and the audio track so they're selected together. Then right-click on the selected bundle and choose Create Compound Clip. CapCut will combine them into one grouped clip, which gives you access to tools that are usually easier to use on video elements. Now click on the new compound clip in the timeline and look just above the timeline for the toolbar. You should see the reverse icon, which may look like a circular arrow or a backward play symbol depending on your version of CapCut. Click that reverse button and then wait a few moments while CapCut processes the clip. Once it's finished, your audio will be reversed along with the compound clip. If you only need the reversed audio and not the placeholder video layer, you can right-click and extract the audio from the compound clip. That lets you isolate the reverse sound for use in your project. And if you're using the free version of CapCut and want to keep the visual layer hidden, you can simply reduce the opacity of the clip or place your actual video on top of it so the placeholder doesn't show. That way, you still get the reversed audio effect without disrupting your edit. So that's the easiest way to reverse audio in CapCut using a simple workaround. It's fast, beginner-friendly, and super helpful when you want more creative control over your sound design. If this video saved you time, please hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications because I've got more CapCut tutorials coming that will make editing a whole lot easier. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.